back with a bitch getting sky high, pretty brown skin and she gangsta. I call her my left eye. Pull up Mercedes 450, baby, let's ride. Nigga try me, he stupid, get chest tied. These niggas pussy, they never be outside. How we beefin', ain't never been shot fired. Come from the block, bitch, we stuck like a stop sign. You can't claim the gang if you ain't my kind. No, you not having shit, bitch, nigga, stop lying. Beat his ass with this Drake till he stop trying. No, he remember that car, told him stop crying. Just don't play and you good, stay off my line. I came a long way from hitting licks, ducking one time. Almost died in them streets, not a sunshine. No, my pockets on full, feel like, baby, this my time. And we stay with them sticks like a drum line.
Hey, turn the lights out. Turn it up. Turn the music up in my head. Hey. I was down on my only needed one wish. I told myself don't go back in that fist, cause be real, that's they keep us from them rich. They do for the gram, but they broke for these. Hey, I'm a man, I take care of my children. I do all this rap just to change how we live. They don't know all the real that I come from them trenches, them ditches, I swear in them this week. Up rookin' cheap, reach for my chain and we blitzin'. Hey, yeah, I'm rich, we still steppin' ballistic. Remember them days, used to dream about Da Vinci was hitting them licks, cause my pockets was in. Hey, me and T sharing one piece of chicken, what's so broke, couldn't even buy me a bitch. Couldn't clear out my throat cause the drink was 2 feet. Now I'm up every month, so I'm touching like 60. I'm acting, so please do not diss me, cause I'm quick to have talking me. I turned up in the year, now I'm running my city. Be real, ain't too many, that's just glasses cover my eyes, but I still see the pity. They mad cause I'm up and they quit. We left they in the dust, you can tell cause they did. And they broke, how the you sell weed but you skin. Since I touch the bag every day, I've been drip. Every function we in, they respecting this crib. If they don't, we don't go in the club, we gon' flip. I remember them days, it was doves in the kitchen. I've been moving too fast, so it's lines that I'm sick. 15 deep in my show, see how often we hit. Partner turned to up, tried to make me the villain. Not tripping, I'm standing on 10 and I'm with it. Since I touch the bag every day, I've been drip. Every function we in, they respecting this crib. If they don't, we don't go in the club, we gon' flip. I remember them days, it was doves in the kitchen. I've been moving too fast, so it's lines that I'm sick. 15 deep in my show, see how often we hit. Partner turned to up, tried to make me the villain. Not tripping, I'm standing on 10 and I'm with it. I was down on my only needed one wish. I told myself don't go back in that fish, cause be real, that's they keep us from them rich. They did for the gram, but they broke for these. Hey, I'm a man, I take care of my children. I do all this rap just to change how we live. They don't know all the real that I come from them trenches, them ditches, I swear in them this week. Up here, rookin' cheap for my chain and we blitzin'. Hey, yeah, I'm rich, we still steppin' ballistic. Remember them days, used to dream about Da Vinci was hitting them licks, cause my pockets was in. Hey, me and T sharing one piece of chicken, what's so broke, couldn't even buy me a bitch. Couldn't clear out my throat cause the drink was 2 feet. Now I'm up every month, so I'm touching like 60. I just went bought a watch with a whole lot of diamonds to show all these niggas it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the clips, make a play and get high off that Zaza. I say R.I.P. Kobe, a nigga so fly when I ball out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams, the Rudy's, a big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is immaculate. If you hit me for bows, then you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying cause that shit still in the package. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no niggas throw sevens like Kaepernick. You not blind and you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no I'm not average. Came a long way from dope in the can. Niggas know that I still in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I iced out the 10 for 600 on all our neck. Played it full like Mitch. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. Nigga know I'm a stepper, I step with some elegance. All these niggas I'm with is some fellas, and strapped with a post, so I hope that you hesitant. If they spin, make them wish that they never spin. Most of these niggas is hoes, they be telling me. Man, I'm finna take over, I'm stamping. How you bang this shit, they selling ain't ripping shit. Left your dog in that rain and ain't help with it. High as you solid, you ain't never dealt with it. You see me, I come different, I'm blessed with it. We ain't got the rollie, it go with my necklace. 30 for both, you could die if you mess with it. Can't do the show if it don't got a check with it. These niggas popo, I swear they irrelevant. Hating like I don't know, that's really jealous. Knowing they mad that they no longer live. Niggas know that I still in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I iced out the 10 for 600 on all our neck. Played it full like Mitch. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. shit'll get hit. No bodies we drop at the better they dress. I be quick to throw hands, but we stay with them Wessons. Blocks, K's, yeah, we with the X. Think I was like 6 when they said I was fresh. Been chillin' this shit, but they know I'm a stepper. 600 block, yeah, you know I'm a ripper. They crossing that line, I've been waiting to stretch it. Send them to God if he play with my necklace. Taliban gang, yeah, you know that we wreck. We been getting them bricks by the air like Tetris. Big booty bitch giving head in the Lexus. Ironic, I think that her name was Alexis. Slamming them peas on the table like Rex. Yo, ho wanna fuck her, she like how I'm dressed. She say when I smile and I shine, it's a blessing. She be on my dick when I ice on my neck. Only hang with the killers, we straight out of Texas. Ate in the Sprite, got it looking like Pepsi. Feds on my ass, said them boys come catch it. It's racks on my head, but I bet they won't test it. Calling my phone like it's bills they collected. Big extra plug, only known for the step. Big nigga solid, but stay with a weapon. I'm stiff in the bitch, beat a nigga like Tekken. Calling my phone like it's bills they collected. Big extra plug, only known for the step. Big nigga solid, but stay with a weapon. I'm stiff in the bitch, beat a nigga like Tekken. Hey, big X, big stepper. Cut off my bitch, she was being too extra. Ops on my line screaming how they gon' stretch, but they stay in their place cause this shit'll get hit. No bodies we drop at the better they dress. I be quick to throw hands, but we stay with them Wessons. Blocks, K's, yeah, we with the X. Think I was like 6 when they said I was pressure. Hey. I be deep in the envy, these boys feeling shitty. Damn, guess that's why they tryna get me. Big nigga stiff and I stay with a semi. He trippin' this club, but I hit him with 50. I had to cut him, that nigga went with me. He said he gon' slide, but I told him it's risky. I come from the Grove, yeah, the heart of the city, but being the North for them boys really winning. Remember them days we was adding up pennies. Damn, now we throw racks to the ceiling. Smelling like pressure, the best in the city. You need it, we got it, cause Uber stay with me. Ayy, this stacking the fuck is a stimmy. You got BO8 and you better get with me. This shit here feel better than hustling and dealing, but she hit the fan, I'm back robbing and stealing. Damn, these bitches, they never fuck with me. They see I got clout tryna fuck for an image. I'm like, fuck you and fuck your little feelings. My heart in them streets, I'm locked in with the trenches. Hey, I think it's about time for the dentist. We really made racks in this fucking pandemic. They let me out papers, I'm off for restriction, but I still got partners, need piss every Wednesday. Hey, hey, keep that out of here, run it back. Hey, we plotting, I told him his business. Yeah, he got a Glock, but that bitch for an image. We ran up the score, had to lace on my tennis. I'm ballin', that shit got me feeling like Guinness. Hey, the doc say I fucked up my kidneys. It must be the lean and the squares of the Henny. Or maybe that dude say don't mix with that with me. We having our way with this shit, so we chillin'. Hey, took losses to fill out his winning. We started with bows, ended out with them chickens. He reached for this chain, bet he fly with the pigeons. Don't speak on the gang unless you talking big business. Hey, we plotting, I told him his business. Yeah, he got a Glock, but that bitch for an image. We ran up the score, had to lace on my tennis. I'm ballin', that shit got me feeling like Dennis. Hey, feeling like Dennis, 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 feeling like Dennis. Hey.
Tony Goals.
I really been out on the mission to keep out this paper. We haven't still come in to flip. Started out riding Batman with the gidgets. When that shit didn't work, talk to Pops about the chick. All of them talk, my bad ass still ain't listen, was living, but taught me the ways of that kitchen. Don't need me a pot, I can microwave whip it. I bang the high seat just like a Christian. Went from that shit to the spot, now we living. Still running they mouth, they gon' die about the mission. They bitches.